In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove free shipping on WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, shipping fees are an important part of your pricing strategy, and sometimes offering free shipping might not align with your business goals. Whether you're adjusting policies, running a promotion, or just fine-tuning your shipping methods, disabling free shipping can be a necessary step. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so that you can make these changes seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress site and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website, where you manage all of your settings, plugins, and customization options. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll see all the different sections of your WordPress site. Next, find and click on Woocommerce in the left-hand menu. Woocommerce is the plugin that powers your store, so this is where you'll make changes to things like products, payments, and of course shipping. When you click on Woocommerce, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where the core of your WooCommerce store's configuration happens. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice a row of tabs at the top of the page. Each of these tabs corresponds to a different area of your store's functionality. Now, click on the Shipping tab. This tab is specifically dedicated to configuring all of your shipping options. Whether you're setting up flat rates, local delivery, or free shipping, this is the page where you'll manage it all. On the shipping page, you'll see an option called Shipping Zones. Click on Shipping Zones. Shipping zones allow you to define specific areas where you deliver your products and customize the shipping methods and rates for each zone. For example, you might have one zone for your local area and another for international shipping. This makes it easy to offer different rates or methods depending on where your customers are located. Once you're in the Shipping Zones section, look through the list of zones and locate the one that includes a free shipping method. You'll see an Edit option next to each zone. Click Edit next to the zone where free shipping is currently enabled. This will take you to a page where you can manage the shipping methods for that particular zone. On this page, you'll see a list of all the active shipping methods for the selected zone. These methods might include flat rate, local pickup, or free shipping. From this list, find the free shipping method and click Edit next to it. This will open up the settings specific to free shipping. Now, you'll want to locate the setting labeled Enable this shipping method. This is the toggle or checkbox that determines whether free shipping is active for this zone. To disable free shipping, simply uncheck the box or toggle the switch to turn it off. Once you've done that, the final step is to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This ensures that the free shipping method is now disabled for that shipping zone. And that's it. You've successfully removed free shipping from your WooCommerce store. If you ever need to enable it again or make further adjustments, you can always revisit these settings and tweak them as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.